Hi, students, and welcome to Medical Terminology 2, Week 5. This week, we're going to discuss the endocrine system. And so first, let's look at some of the word parts of the endocrine system. ACR or ARC is defined as the adrenal glands. Crin, secrete. Dyspia, which would be a suffix, is thirst. Gonad or sex glands. Ism, also a suffix, would mean condition or state of. Poly meaning many, and somat meaning body. So here's a few of the medical terms, and as you read your textbook, you're going to run into a lot of terms related to the endocrine system and a lot of the conditions that you may be familiar with. The first one is acromegaly, which is an enlargement of the extremities caused by excessive secretion of the growth hormone. Cretinism is a congenital form of hypothyroidism. Gynecomastia is a condition of excessive mammary development in the male. Hyperinsulinism is the condition marked by excessive secretion of insulin. And myxedemia, is a severe form of adult hypothyroidism. So now we're going to look at a few of the functions of the endocrine system, and I'm going to kind of break these down by the various glands that we have in our bodies. But the main function of the endocrine system is to produce hormones that work together to maintain homeostasis. And the structures of the endocrine system, or the glands, include the pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus, pancreas, adrenal glands, and gonads. The function of the pituitary gland is to secrete hormones that control the activity of other endocrine glands. And the pituitary gland is made up of two lobes, the anterior lobe and the posterior lobe. The function of the pineal gland is to influence the sleep and wakefulness cycle of our bodies. And so one of the main hormones of that gland is the melatonin, which influences what is known as what we call the circadian cycle. And the circadian cycle is a biological function that occurs within a 24-hour period. So it's what you might refer to if you get jet lagged. Your body is used to being on another time zone. And so it takes a while for that circadian cycle to get back on track. The function of the thyroid gland is to regulate the body's metabolism. It also influences the growth and the functioning of the nervous system. The function of the parathyroid gland is that it regulates the calcium levels throughout the body, and the calcium levels are important to the smooth functioning of the muscular and nervous systems. The function of the thymus is to secrete hormones that help the body's immune system before birth and in childhood. And you'll generally see the function of the thymus reduced after puberty. The function of the pancreas isolates controls the blood glucose levels and the glucose metabolism throughout the body. The function of the adrenal glands controls the electrolyte levels of the body, and it helps regulate metabolism and interacting with the sympathetic nervous system in response to stress. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please be sure to reach out to me.